Hi, this is what we call a foot pedal push switch. Wow, that's a mouthful. So, as the name suggests, it's a foot pedal switch, which is normally connected to a lamp or any electric gadget. So, how it works, like I'm just going to demonstrate, is that you push it with your foot and your lamp lights up or goes off. So today I'm going to show you how to replace one or how to install one. So here are the tools that you'll need to actualize this project. You'll need a flat screwdriver, in this case a tester, a star screwdriver, and you can also use a pin or a needle. So we begin by unscrewing the back side of the switch, making sure that you place your screws safely so you don't lose them. Once you're done with that, you realize that inside the switch we have a spring. So pull that away and keep it safely. And then now we have the main switch that is inside. That's the cover of the switch. And now this is the switch itself. And you realize that there is the neutral line that runs on the side that is uncut. And then on either side, we have the live wire that goes through one side and goes through the other side, otherwise called a hot wire. So to dislodge the wire, you simply put your pin or your flat screwdriver inside the hole on the side of the switch, and that pops out the live wire. And we go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just give it a little push to snap it out, and that presses that release button. And to install is just to push in the live wire through the same hole. It has a self-locking system inside. So if you just push it in, it locks itself in and holds. And of course, you repeat the same process on the other side. Push in the live wire and it self-locks itself. Like so. Then we're going to go ahead and replace the switch inside the slot, ensuring that the other wires lay on the side comfortably. Then replace the spring, and then the switch cover, the switch button cover, and the cover itself. Remember to give it a little bit of a press so that it fits in perfectly. Then we are going to go ahead and replace the screws as they were to fasten it into place. And that's how you fix or replace or install a foot pedal push switch. My hope is that you've learned something today. And if you've learned something, leave a like, a share, and let me know in the comment section below whether this video was helpful in your craft or in your lamp making process. This is my first time dealing with a foot pedal switch, and I hope to be using it in one of my upcoming floor lamps. And I've also learned something while I'm also sharing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.